Ground fault circuit interrupters, also known as GFCI or GFI outlets, are inexpensive and can be life-saving. GFCI outlets are generally required in areas where there is a risk of electrocution. This is in areas near sinks, showers, bathtubs, kitchen counters, and exterior outlets. GFCI outlets are required by the National Electrical Code, or NEC, in a multitude of scenarios. It's also recommended to use portable GFCI protection anytime you're operating electrically powered garden equipment or electric tools for DIY work in and around the house. It is recommended that your home comply with current NEC standards. If you have questions about which requirements apply to your home, please give us a call. It is recommended that you test your GFCI outlets each month, because over time their circuitry can wear out. To test your outlets properly, you need a GFCI outlet tester. These inexpensive testers show the various results possible, and illuminate lights to indicate whether or not there is an issue with your outlet. Keep in mind that an outlet